Namaste, Vanakkam, Namaskaram, welcome back to Swathi Ganesh Creations. So today I am going to show you guys a simple home decor which is creative as well as attractive. So do watch this video till the end, friends, because you guys are going to love it. So for this DIY I am first drawing a fish on a cardboard. Now I am just going to cut it off from the cardboard. So this is how it looks. So now I am taking a newspaper and I am just going to cut some bits from it and I am going to stick it on the cardboard using a Fevicol and water mixture. I am going to mix Fevicol with water and I am going to apply that mixture on the newspaper till I cover the entire fish with the newspaper like this. Once I have covered it, I will apply a thick layer of Fevicol and I will leave it to dry. Once it is dried, I have taken here equal portions of Fevicol, Plaster of Paris and acrylic white color. So I am just going to apply this mixture on the cardboard like this. Now the fish has to dry completely, so I have let it dry overnight. And this is how it looks the next day. I just used a piece of cardboard at the back for steadiness. Now I am just using a sandpaper and I am just going to scrub it like this. Don't worry about the gaps, we are going to correct it in the next step. So now I am taking Fevicol and some amount of water. This is how the mixture should look and I am going to apply it on the cardboard base. So this step we need to repeat it either 2 or 3 times so that the cracks which were visible earlier will be covered completely. So if you are applying the first layer, you should allow it to dry completely and then apply the second layer of Fevicol, and you have to allow it to dry completely, naturally dry, allow it dry, and then apply the third layer. So once it's completely dried, we'll get a smooth base. So this is how the second layer I have applied it now. So this is how it looks. I am going to allow it to dry completely. I am going to apply this Fevicol only twice, and no, I am not going to do it twice here. I am just going to do it twice. So and then I am going to allow it to dry naturally. So this is how the base looks once it completely dried. So you can see it's quite smooth and all the cracks are completely covered. I'm taking brush here and I'm going to start painting.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think you'll have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it.
Friends, just go with the flow and create a design of your choice which you think will be looking lovely for your home.
All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry about tomorrow. For now, you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song. You know my heart, 'cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy.
Now let's apply some colors to the fish. Try to use as much as colors as possible so that it becomes colorful and vibrant. I'm sure when your guest comes to your house, they are absolutely going to love this piece and they are going to ask you guys from where did you buy it. Trust me. So once the painting is done, I am using toothpick here to keep dots like this. I will be using front and back side of the toothpick to make dots. So this is how it looks once the painting is complete. You can see it looks so vibrant, so colorful, and a cute looking home decor for us should be ready in 5 more minutes. So for the eye, I am just going to use here modeling clay. So I am just going to paint the eye and I am just going to stick the clay on the eye portion. So I am going to stick the eye with the help of Fevicol. You can see the eye looks like a 3D effect and it gives a good look to a fish. And finally I am going to apply a layer of Mod Podge, or you can use any varnish you have. And you can allow it to dry for the entire night. And in the morning I have just painted at the back also like this, and I'm just going to use a twine like this and I'm going to attach it with the help of hot glue gun. Now our showpiece is ready to be put on the wall. You can see this wall hanging looks so colorful, so vibrant that everyone who visits your house are going to love it. Do let me know in the comment section below if you guys liked it, and if you guys like it, please comment, like, and do share it with your friends and family. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. I'll see you all in the next interesting video. Until then, this is Swathi Ganesh signing off. Bye bye.